and it's also soft. This is the softest meat I've ever tasted. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's lamb vindaloo. Lamb in a spicy curry sauce with basmati rice. Authentic Indian recipe. Keep frozen. The price is $4.49. So I reviewed lots of other authentic Indian recipes from Trader Joe's, like the korma fish. There was a fiery chicken, butter chicken, and lots of others, about 2 or 3 other more. So on the back, there are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. It contains coconut. The heating instructions using the microwave and conventional oven. We're going to be using it on pan because we have tried others, but it did not work as well. So we're going to be doing pan because it's the best. Let's open it with the dotted line which is on the side. So here it is. There's a lamb. I hope it's real lamb. I've never really eaten lamb meat before. I've eaten chicken and pork and beef and all others, but never really tried lamb before. So that's new. Lamb, there's it. And there's a basmati rice. We're gonna heat up in the pan and I'll see you somewhat in the kitchen or either on the brown table. So here I am back again at the brown table like I promised. So there, the black things in the rice are motorcycle. No, the black thing is not a motorcycle. I'm saying I cut myself off because there was a motorcycle outside and I don't want to talk when the motorcycle is ringing outdoors. So now here's a lamb vindaloo. The rice is from the microwave. This is from the pan. I'm going to try the lamb first. Well, it's rolling, so I guess I need to eat the rice as well. I'm currently walking on air. This is so delicious. It's softer than chicken. No, it's softer than the fish. And it's also soft. This is the softest meat I've ever tasted. There's no fat, no gristle. Just taste it and melts. Okay, maybe not melt like ice, but I'm saying it's really easy to chew. The rice is fairly great. The lamb is on a spicy sauce, so it gives a hot taste. For some reason, some of the foods I eat that are spicy, I might not be able to eat them as much as I love spicy foods. Some of them are too hot for me. But this one, I don't know, however hot it is, like the fiery chicken, it's very hot, but I, for some reason, like the spiciest of Indian food. Although I'm not Indian, as you can see. This is great. Go down into the spoon. This is awesome. Anyway. This is fantastic. I think I'll buy this again. With my father's money, of course. Although I do have some money in my wallet. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And meet me again on this brown table. I'll see you again in my other videos. Bye!